Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went to get my hair done and I'm just going to be showing you guys the whole process. So first of all, she blow dried my hair. I already applied heat resistant creams from home, so she just blow dried my hair and was kind of straightening it out at the same time. You know what blow drying is. So yeah, so she did that. And then we went over my hair with shea butter. She was just patting my hair and putting the shea butter on my scalp. And after she was done, she massaged the shea butter into my hair, into my scalp rather, with her fingers, which I think was really nice because it kept my hair moisturized for a while. When she was done with the shea butter, she just cut the hair into the sizes because I told her I wanted a particular number, so she just cut the hair also into a triangle pattern, which I thought was really nice and I really liked it. So here is just an overview of what cutting looks like. So I wanted the braids to be big, well, bigger than the average size of braids, but not too big, and I got what I wanted from it because it was bigger than normal size but not too big. Now at first I did want to wrap every single braid like this, but then I realized that doing every single braid would make the braids shrink and scanty, so I just said to do it on a couple of braids. And then I did one highlight. Basically she just wrapped platinum blonde, I think is the color of braiding hair. She just wrapped it around a braid and that's how she got that. Then after that I decided to wrap the tips of the hair just like inches from the roots, just to I guess give it a more cleaner look. And then we left the leave out, the extra braiding hair from that, and that was what we actually coiled up, which I thought was really nice. So she just wrapped a thread around that and did this string thing they do. I honestly don't know how to do this thing, but she just pulled it up and that was basically what she did. When she was done with that, then she started trimming the hair as per usual, and they trimmed everything as much as they could, really, because I don't think you can really trim everything. But when they were done, she started to put the hair in hot water. She started by putting the wrapped ones, the ones that she did the drawstring thread thingy with. She put those ones in hot water first, and then she put the rest of the braids in water. So when they were done, they just let go of the wrapped ones and it looked so nice. I was actually really happy with the outcome of everything. And just when they like let them down, and then she put some styling moves on it, kind of like to just keep their shape. I really liked it. It was actually her idea because we planned on cutting the styling, the extra from the wrapping. But then she was like, why don't we just, curl it? And I was like, okay. And I absolutely love how it came out. I'm so thankful for that. And when she was done, she put styling moves on all of the hair, everything. After putting the styling on, she went ahead to use a blow dryer to dry the pieces of the braid. I honestly don't know why she did that, but that was what she did. Then she just, I guess it was to get it less wet. And then that was basically all we did for the hair. It was so nice. I loved it so much. And here's a little montage of how the hair came out to be.